Providence Municipal Court had handled thousands of routine speeding tickets, but Tuesday morning, December 12th, was different. It would become the day Judge Frank Caprio came face-to-face with a man who had once stood between the President of the United States and potential assassins. When a sharply dressed African-American man entered the courtroom, his unmistakable air of federal law enforcement commanded attention. There was something about his calm confidence and the way he instinctively positioned himself near the exit that sparked a recognition that would soon uncover one of the most heartbreaking family tragedies ever to unfold in that courtroom. What happened next became the most emotional moment in Judge Caprio's 4-decade career, proving that even those who've served their country at the highest levels often carry the deepest, most silent battles within. But before we dive into this unbelievable story, I need you to do one thing right now. Smash that subscribe button. We're closing in on 600K subscribers, and believe it or not, 97% of you watching still aren't subscribed. Welcome to Judge Stories. If this story changes how you see sacrifice, service, and what it truly means to protect the people you love most, drop a comment below and let us know. Because by the end of this 20-minute video, you'll understand why this former Secret Service agent's revelation made Judge Caprio break his own courtroom rules and do something he had never done in 40 years on the bench. Here's my question for you. Comment right now. What would you sacrifice to save someone you love? Because what this man gave up for his son will absolutely break your heart and restore your faith in humanity at the same time. But before I tell you what Judge Caprio discovered, think about this and share your thoughts below. When you see someone who carries themselves with absolute authority, do you ever wonder what battles they've fought that you'll never know about? Keep that in mind, because this story will change everything you think you know about silent strength. Tuesday morning in Providence Municipal Court had settled into its usual rhythm. Judge Frank Caprio, now 80 years old, had presided over countless traffic violations, parking disputes, and minor infractions. The gallery was filled with the familiar mix of nervous drivers, frustrated commuters, and hopeful citizens praying that the judge's trademark compassion might extend to their situation. At 9:32 a.m., when David Thompson walked